this brief video will walk you through how to create a rubric in your Blackboard course shell. Once you've logged into your Blackboard course, you'll want to use the navigation menu and scroll down to Course Tools. Within Course Tools, you will want to find Rubrics and select it. From there, you will be brought to the Rubrics section. You will see any existing rubrics that are in your course, as well as the ability to create rubrics or import rubrics. To create a new rubric, you will select the Create Rubric button. From there, you'll be brought to a new page where you will fill in a rubric name as well as add a brief description if needed. Below, you will find the rubric details. This is where the rubric grid consists of rows and columns. The rows are the criterias and the columns are the levels of achievements. You can customize your rubric by adding more rows or columns, as well as changing the rubric type. You can go from a no point range to points or point range, percent or percent range. You also have the ability to rearrange your levels of achievements or criteria by selecting these gray buttons and hitting the items and moving them where you prefer. You also have the choice to rename level of achievements or criteria to your liking by selecting the gray chevron next to the item and then changing the name and then pressing save. Regardless if you are using points or percentages, you can go in and you can customize your point or percentages for each rubric, as well as list a description for the criteria and the associated level of achievement to those criteria. Once your grid is complete, you can press Submit. You will be brought back to the rubric page and you will see your newly made rubric that is now available to associate to items within your Blackboard course.